job.
All right. Put it right here so Maya can go down. Right where? Right here.
My turn after that.
Hey, you can let little Maya go. You ready? Yeah. All right, this might not end well. Ready? What boy is going to end right here? Don't go far.
I'm gonna. Okay.
Right here. Go down that all. Whoa! Nice job, Maya, Papaya. Did I do it? Good. Did I do it? Did I do it? Yay, Maya! Nice job.
The look on her face when she popped up, like, am I happy or not?